Hey everyone, Spencer Kaufman here with Social Media Ministries. Today I have an exciting update. You can now support us with a website called Give Lively. So we have several different campaigns on Give Lively. Basically, it is a platform for us to put different fundraising efforts. So if we are fundraising for specific things, like if you've been with us for a long time following, you know we have different monthly updates. We know we have different tasks going on our website. We're trying to feed children. We're trying to do street teams ministries. Sometimes we have software that we need to buy or products that we need to buy, or if we want to expand like office projects, things like that. We will have different campaigns or different fundraisers, and Give Lively enables us to build a page specifically for that, and then that page you can share that fundraiser. It can have a goal, everything, kind of like GoFundMe or Tiltify, and you can share that fundraiser on your social media to help raise money for that specific cause within Social Media Ministries. It also helps us direct your funds if you want to donate to something specific like supporting missionaries or rescuing children or feeding children, something like that. You want to direct your money, your gift, toward a certain area. You can donate through one of those pages, and then we know exactly where to steward the funds that you are dedicating to a specific project within Social Media Ministries. So that's pretty cool. I encourage you to check it out. There'll be a link in the description below. In addition, they have awesome options like text to give. So if you want to text a mobile number with a specific keyword phrase, and then they'll give you the link back to give to that specific option. So we're going to have that. All of that will be displayed on our Give page, which you can check that out. Link will be in the description below as well. You can go to socialmediaministries.com/give, and there will be different options there that'll show you, like if you want to give to Give Lively, here are all the different campaigns, here are the different text to gives, etc. So you can check that out there. And then one thing that I really hope that you consider is within Give Lively, each of our campaigns. So first of all, take the time, please, go visit them. If you have any feedback on it, you have comments, you say, hey Spence, you should add XYZ, or maybe change this, or do whatever. I welcome your feedback and your opinions. Now don't just go on there and bash it all and say all these people do is want money. No, this is a fundraising tool that we are blessed enough to be able to use. So if you're going to hate on it, then don't comment at all. But if you have honest and good feedback or corrective criticisms or constructive feedback or recommendations, please, I welcome that. Comment below with those, and I will do what I can and take it into consideration. Now, so check it out. The other thing I hope that you do is when you visit these campaigns, all the way at the bottom, there's a little spot that says fundraise for this campaign. You are able to create your own fundraiser on Give Lively that will directly support that campaign. So instead of like sharing that link and trying to get your friends or your social media people or whatever to try to do that, you can fundraise on Give Lively kind of like you would create a GoFundMe fundraiser for Social Media Ministries. You can do it on Give Lively. And the difference, the reason why you would do it on Give Lively over GoFundMe is because the fees are so much less. Give Lively is specifically for nonprofits, created by people that have nonprofits at heart. They've saved tons of money for nonprofits over the years. You can find all that on their website. When you go there, they have like a big banner that says how much they've helped nonprofits raise and save. So check that out because it is a pretty cool platform. I'm very excited about it. We have different campaigns that we can have available. We can do text to give, we can have peer-to-peer fundraising, we can have team fundraising. So there are a lot of cool options, and I really hope that you take the time, check it out, provide some feedback if you want, and be excited about this opportunity that we have. Pray for us and pray that that God would use this in a great way to help further His kingdom through Social Media Ministries. Thank you, and God bless.